also one of the groups that's here in Harrisburg on the same day that we're here about mountaintop removal coal mining. It's folks lobbying on motorcycle safety. Here they are. Sir, would you mind telling us why you're here?
I don't have time. Right
Okay, another time. Thank you. Sir, would you mind telling us why you're here?
For my rights to rally for my rights.
For your rights to drive a motorcycle?
Yes.
And how are they being impacted?
How are they being impacted?
Yeah.
I don't really know. So, sorry, brother.
That's okay. We're glad you're here, standing up for your rights. Would you like to say something about how your rights are being impacted and what you're here
for? Not right now, but we're here to make sure that they don't.
Make sure that they don't. It's great.
Maybe.
It's great to see you.